Imagine turning just $1,000 into $100,000. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, today I'm going to share 3 high potential stocks that could help you make that dream a reality. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to transform your investments into something massive. Welcome back, everyone. If you're looking to multiply your money and grow your wealth, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 3 high potential stocks that could turn a $1,000 investment into $100,000. Now, I know what you're thinking: stocks can be risky, but with the right strategy, they can also lead to massive rewards. So, let's get into it. 1. Stock number 1. Tech or emerging industry stock. First up, we have a tech stock in the emerging AI industry. This sector is exploding, and the company...
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you
Let's talk healthcare innovation. The healthcare industry is evolving, and there's one company that's leading the charge with groundbreaking medical technologies and treatments. This stock has been steadily growing, and with a major product set to be released next year, we could see a huge jump in value. Healthcare stocks are known for being stable, but with innovation in the mix, they can also offer massive growth. Why this stock? The healthcare sector is always in demand, and with new advancements in medicine, treatments, and technologies, the possibilities are endless. This company's research and development pipeline looks very promising, and if they hit a home run with their upcoming product, your investment could soar. Conclusion: alright, now you know about 3 stocks with massive potential to turn your $1,000 investment into $100,000. But remember, investing in stocks always comes with risks. It's important to do your own research, understand the risks, and consider speaking to a financial advisor before making any decisions. With the right strategy, patience, and these stocks in your portfolio, you could be on your way to achieving those huge returns. Closing, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more valuable tips. Drop a comment below if you've already invested in any of these stocks, or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear your thoughts.